The next topic is power supplied to LCR circuit. Now first instantaneous voltage. The instantaneous voltage, we know P is equal to VI. Here V is equal to V naught sin omega t and I is equal to I naught sin omega t plus phi, where phi is the phase between voltage and current. Now equation number first, put in first. V is V naught sin omega t, I is I naught sin omega t plus phi. P is equal to V naught I naught sin omega t into sin omega t plus phi. Now P is equal to V naught I naught sin omega t, sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now we can write V naught I naught multiply by sin omega t, sin square omega t cos phi plus sin omega t cos omega t into sin phi. Now P is equal to V naught I naught sin square omega t cos phi multiply and divide by 2 sin omega t cos omega t sin phi. Now we can write V naught I naught sin square omega t cos phi plus 1 by 2. 2 sin theta cos theta, it is sin 2 theta. Now we can calculate average power. For the average power, P bar is equal to 1 by T 0 to T Pi into dt, 1 by T 0 to T, the value of Pi. This is instantaneous power. V naught I naught sin square omega t cos phi (1 by 2 sin 2 omega t sin phi into dt. Now we can write P bar is equal to 1 by T V naught I naught 0 to T sin square omega t cos phi dt plus 1 by 2 0 to T sin 2 omega t sin phi into dt. We know the integration of sin 2 omega t 0 to T sin 2 omega t dt. This is equal to 0. And integration of 0 to T sin square omega t into dt. This is equals to T by 2. We have done earlier. Now we can put 1 by T V naught I naught integration of sin square omega t dt. This is T by 2 cos phi integration of sine 2 omega t is 0. This complete will be 0. So we get average power 1 by t v naught I naught t by 2 cos phi. T will be cancelled. So we can write here v naught I naught by under root 2 into under root 2 cos phi. So P bar we can write v naught by under root 2 Vrms, I naught by under root 2 Irms into cos phi. This is the required expression for the average power supplied to LCR circuit.